Jungle.
My name is Husna binti Zara, and today I'm going to discuss about this problem, which is why you can't turn on the TV even though you have the remote. So this is another problem, which is why do we need to point the remote towards the TV like this?
You can't turn on the TV even though you already have the remote. And why do we need to point the remote towards the television? The answer? The explanation is infrared light is in the visible portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. And IR remote control, the transmitter sends out pulses of infrared light that represent specific binary codes. These binary codes correspond to commands such as power on off and volume up. Next, the basic parts involved in sending an IR signal include buttons, integrated circuit, button contacts, light emitting diode, which is LED. The IR receiver in the TV, stereo or other device decodes the pulses of light into the binary data, ones and zeros, that the device microprocessor can understand. The microprocessor then carries out the corresponding command. First, you push the volume up button on your remote control, causing it to touch the contact beneath it and complete the volume up circuit on the circuit board. The integrated circuit detects this. The integrated circuit sends the binary volume up command to the LED at the front of the remote. Third, the LED sends out a series of light pulses that corresponds to the binary volume up command. When the infrared receiver on the TV picks up the signal from the remote and verifies from the address code that is supposed to carry out this command, it will convert the light pulses back into the electrical signal. It will pass the signal to the microprocessor, which goes in the increasing volume. First, a short clip to understand.
At the same time, the remote also sends a code which identifies the make and model of the device it's controlling. This is why your TV remote shouldn't interfere with your other equipment.